So in Tokyo, I was in Shibuya and chose the Stream XL Hotel. It's right on Scramble Square, and the reason they call it that is because it's Scramble Square. It's the busiest intersection in the world. This hotel opened in 2018 and it certainly was a good choice. Although hard to find, it just doesn't stand out. And the reception was on level 4. So if you do go here, you've got to go up the lift before you find anything. And I was very, very confused after a long flight and a dark, cold night. But anyway, I was quite impressed when I walked in. As you can see there, exceptional place. So fine line, streamed, everything was beautiful. The food there was beautiful. There's a restaurant, they have breakfast, lunch and dinner. And the service, the staff are excellent. They also have a high tea in the afternoon, but we'll warn you, quite expensive. And I did see a function while I was there, as I was there on a weekend. But all within this little hotel that you wouldn't even see from outside. But when you go inside, it was absolutely spectacular. So it's my first morning in Tokyo, and I'm just going to have breakfast. You can see the hallway behind me goes forever. And I'm going to walk down there. I'm on the 13th floor. This is a spooky hotel, real spinny. So my room here was actually a deluxe room and it was 50 square meters. It's fantastic. But I will warn you that a basic room here will cost you at least $500 a night. But maybe if you just keep watching, you'll know why. But this room here of mine was absolutely fantastic. There's a king size bed there, a separate bathroom with a shower, 2 hand washes, at the bench you can see there, a separate toilet and a separate bath. That was one of the reasons I booked this. That bath looks out to the whole skyline of Tokyo. And yes, the view, that was another reason. Spectacular. And I think now is time for a tour. So this is the tour of the Stream XL Hotel here in Tokyo. It's quite bizarre. Right, so this is the bedroom. Has a lounge, TV, coffee station. Everyone needs a coffee station. And here we have the bathroom. The bathroom's probably the same size as the lounge room. So there's the shower, but it goes through. It's got glass here, and then it's got a glass door on the other side. I'll just turn here, and there's your little hanging rack for all your stuff. And I looked before and I thought, wonder what's behind this door. And you just go back in the lounge room. Anyway, we'll go back, and you need 2 sinks, I think. 2 sinks and a bench in the kitchen, in the bathroom rather, and the toilet with all the stuff. We'll go through that later. What your toilet does. It's amazing. And then we have the piece of resistance, the bath. And that looks out to the city. It's got a bit of reflection on this camera. But there's that bath I wanted so much. I can't wait to get in there. Get nude while the whole city watches. Why not? And there's our little, the opening to the shower. And there's actually glass over there. Like you walk through it, but it's glass. on the other side, as you can see there. So that's your shower. And there's another door. There's doors everywhere. This is a sliding one. And we're back in the lounge room. So that's my room. Quite bizarre. Great for a gadget girl, I think. And we'll get to a little bit more of it later on, because I'm tired. God, I'm tired. And I might just add, it's got this little dog. And I thought, I wonder what he does. He's a Bluetooth speaker. Apparently, he woofs it out. Anyway, we'll get to that later too. I'll give it a go and see how loud he is. He's called Aeroball. Never seen one. Well, until now. Now, the levels. You're going to ask me, what are the levels? This hotel is very unique. Every level is designed in different colours of different years. And it tells you everything you need to know on the walls. There's a lot to read as well as a lot to see. So as you go through the levels, you will see the different colours on the furniture, the carpets, the walls, and that's what I mean by the levels. And the Meister rooms, what are they? There's one on, say, half a dozen levels, and they're all different. There's the style care, the drink Meister, the shoe care Meister. What else was there? There was the drink. Yeah, I said that. I can't remember. There's so much to remember in this hotel. But we'll start with the drink Meister. So this is a room that's on that level that you can go in and you can buy drinks and you can sit there and drink a drink. I don't know why it's sit in a room like that, but anyway, it's there. There's the drink machine. Of course, you have to pay for them, but they're cool and they're right near your room. So I don't find a problem with that. But so that's the drink Meister, and of course also has water if you just want water, and they had an ice machine in there as well. So these are kind of on the levels of the rooms. That's the drink Meister room. So anything drinkable, except alcohol, was in there. And a very unusual Coca-Cola can that posed as a chair. Anyway, the Food Meister. Now this was a little bit different because it allowed people to eat in there. I saw a family eating in there one night. And of course you've got to wash up. There's the sink. But there's also all these gadgets. When I say gadgets, fry pans and kettles and toasters and rice machines. Well, these I learnt you actually hire. So if you want to use these, you hire them. They're very into recycling also here in Tokyo, and very clean. So there's your disinfectant for your hands. So yeah, these things here, and you hire. And I thought, oh, what's that? That's the little bags, like gift bags. Don't ask me why they were there, but I just found them. Anyway, we'll close that up. Nothing in there. Yeah, I love to check everything out, and they call me Gadget Girl, so I love gadgets. But they also have the book there to show you how to use all the gadgets, how to turn them on, and yeah. And of course, hoping that everyone cleans up after themselves. I never saw this room dirty, but I did see it used quite a few times as I came out of the lift. That's the food room. Now here is the shoe care Meister. Everyone needs care with their shoes, don't they? You know what? It's the last thing I think of when I go away. But there's a lot of business people that stay in this hotel, and men especially, like their shoes shined. So all the equipment is there. Shoe spreader, what do you call it? Make the shoes bigger? I don't know the word. And even a workbench there, and a real leather, a lovely piece of leather there to work on your shoes. There was a book on shoes. I don't know how many people read these things when they're on holidays. But also, there's your chair, like I saw in London only a few weeks ago. There's your chair that you sit on. Hopefully you've got someone with you that'll shine your shoes. And of course, water, once again. There's water in every room in this place. There's nothing wrong with that. So there's that Shoemeister room. Very well equipped, very neat, clean, tidy. And I never saw anyone use it, but who knows? There's also the Style Care Meister. Well, in my eyes, that is a washing machine, a dryer, and an iron rather. The Active Meister is what we call a gym or a gym room. So there's a gym ball there. There's some bikes, some rollers and mats, and everything you need, I guess, for that morning workout. But I don't know where the weights were. They were missing. Just outside the front office, there's another restaurant, Tokyu, and it's very hip and jive, if you just see that there. But I didn't go in there, but it's there. Now this is something very special.
In Shibuya was opened in 2018. It was actually on my birthday, the 13th of September. And ever since, they've introduced this special little guy. Have a look.
Did you order something? Yeah. Did you order something?
No, I didn't order.
I think he's going to deliver. I'm going to follow him. Can I come with you? This is funny.
Doors are closing. Going up.
Oh my God. I'm in the lift with a robot and he's delivering. He just made his way here and I followed him into the lift. And I think he's going to the 12th floor. I don't know how we pressed the 12th floor. I didn't press it. I wonder what he's delivering. I don't know what's in there. It'll be food. This is funny. He's getting out on the 12th floor. How do you know where you're going? How does he know where he's going? How do you know where you're going, robot? So he must... Okay, so he's turned the corner.
So apparently this guy's name is Relay. And the concept of this Shibuya Stream Hotel is a sacred place for creative workers. That's why I see all these creative signs around. And this guy has been apparently the cutting edge of robots. And their concept is from Shibuya to the world. I'm just videoing your... Yeah, that's unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
So you ordered food, and I got in the lift with him, and I followed him.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you. And now he's going to go back downstairs. So the food, it opens up, and the food comes out, and then he'll turn around and go back home, I guess. We'll see what he does. He's waiting. He's waiting. So apart from everything you've seen, as well as that wonderful view, there's a view from my room or the Scramble Square. I tell you, if you had the opportunity and you're staying in Shibuya, to choose this hotel. It was very central to everything you need, especially the train station. That's what we use a lot in Tokyo. And I'll put all the information you need in the link below in the description. I'm Travelbug Sue, and thanks for watching.
I'm Travelbug Sue, and I will see you somewhere in the world, even if it's in a bath in Tokyo. Travel safe.